This marks the first compilation of the Absolute Solver Chaos series. Please enjoy watching this, and let's just say Mount Holly messed up twice during the compilation.
At 1 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was 19 degrees under par. Effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 442 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over High Bridge, 16 miles northwest of Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact, damage to roof and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Bridgewater, Mendham, High Bridge, Clinton, Peapack and Gladstone, Glen Gardner, Chester, Hampton, Lebanon, Collie, Fond,
County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Cushing County in northwestern New Jersey, northwest 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact the nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. The following is an advisor from the National Weather Service for the High Bridge, New Jersey, southeastern Burlington, and western London.
They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Widespread million-dollar thunderstorm, White House Street, where PDS Button and counties in New Jersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Until 8 p.m. this evening. Report severe weather. Contact the law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly,
Counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset.
Warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset.
Grab the cupcake.
The following is a key. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hartford County in northern Maryland, western Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, north central Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 4:45 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hempstead, or 7 miles east of Westminster, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Emergency Management reports a history of downed trees with this line of storms. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cockeysville, Bel Air North, Fallston, Durrettsville, Hylesville, Darlington, Cardiff, Freeland, Norrisville, Bentley Springs, Forest Hill, Phoenix, Street, Jacksonville, Butler, Moncton, Hickory, Whiteford, Glencoe, and Hunt Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, Cecil, and Hartford. The following is a heat advisory from the National Weather Service.
I'm not surprised.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Pearl Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor. Patuxent River to Booms Island, Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles north of Key Bridge to near Alexandria to 12 nautical miles west of Virginia Creek, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, observed wind of 57 knots at Dulles International Airport. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage in heavy. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Ken Narrows Bridge, North Point State Park, Magothy River, Rock Hall, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Dobbins Island, Blacklenet Point, Pools Island, Couple Creek, Herring Bay, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Blarney Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, and Parsons Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a heat advisory from the National Weather Service. Thunderstorm was located near Florence, 40 summit, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Waves around 2 feet until midnight. And heavy hail. Wave source. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Summit and Park around 4:20 p.m. Elizabeth around 4:25 p.m. Midway around 4:30 p.m. Frequency Harrison around 4:35 p.m. Wake Kearney around 4:40 p.m. Jersey City around 4:45 p.m. Hoboken and Secaucus around 4:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large-scale and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Well-built structures. Stay away from the metal. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Waves 1 foot or less. Tuesday, west wind 5 knots. The National Weather.
Shut up!
Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hartford County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Conemaugh, or
for 11 miles northwest of Delaware Grace, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Elkton, Aberdeen, Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Riverside, Northeast, Rising Sunshine, Perryman, Charlestown, Zion, Blake, Barksdale, West Nottingham, Octoraro, Brentwood, Fair Hill, and Glen Westover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Hartford. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Chester in Delaware.
Northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware.
Oh, no wonder.
Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rock Springs, 13 miles north of Delaware Grace, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to move north, east, and outdoors. Locations impacted include Wilmington, York, Westchester, Cookville, Westtown, Downingtown, Elsmere, Kent Square, Newcastle, Parkersburg, West Grove, Newport, Homeville, Glenroy, Cochranville, Stanton, Keene, North Star, and Glasgow. Miles north of Delaware Grace, the large hail and damaging winds per hour. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. Westtown, report to the National Weather Service Office. Damage to vehicles is possible. Torrential rainfall is occurring with considerable tree damage and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware, Oxford, Parkersburg, West Grove, Newport, Homeville, Glenroy, The following is a key advisory from the National Weather Service for the following counties and Worcester, New Jersey, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware. In Pennsylvania, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Until 8 p.m. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear light and loose-fitting clothing. Trying to limit strenuous activities to early morning work. A strong thunderstorm was located near Clear Harbor, moving with the hazard. Wind of 34 knots with greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small could be damaged in brief winds and subsequent waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near East Chester.
I am getting spammed by a M-bot right now. Okay, can you not?
Execution rocks around 5:05 p.m. Around 5:15 p.m. Harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Waves, lightning, are expected with the storm. If caught on open water, stay below deck if possible. New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., A severe thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles north of northeast.
Of course he.
Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Stony
fuck
Point,
me.
Key
I
Patch
don't think-
Island, and Reedy Point. Move to Safe
Slaughter
Harbor
Beach, I don't think they
immediately
covered
as
it,
gusty
but
winds
whatever.
and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The following is a severe
The National Weather Service is serving Virginia.
Shut the fuck up.
In northern Maryland, Cecil County, in northeastern Maryland, of 6:22 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Perry Hall, or near Middle River, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, emergency management reports say history of boundaries with this line of storms. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Middle River, Coggeville, Elkton, Aberdeen, Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Joseph, Bel Air South, Parkville, Bel Air North, Kearney, Perry Hall, Rosedale, Rossville, Timonium, White Marsh, Boston, and Riverside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to Service forecast for the
PDS! PDS! Go! It's PDS!
southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware,
Not our hustle. No. It is.
a large and extremely dangerous tornado is located over
You're lying!
northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation when the service can take take a warning out of your cancel source. We are aware of the county is held. High is your there is high without shelter. No final county has drawn a large
Go!
Westchester, Chester, Westtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, West Hill, Newport, Source, radar indicated 10 miles north, northeast 20 miles per hour, Chelsea, this is particularly dangerous situation, so she take cover now. This is still damaging tornado. Radar is
I hit another battery.
to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a student unit. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial change and protect yourself from foreign debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Belle Isle, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Tornado is in Pennsylvania. To protect your life, flooding debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly. report severe weather contact reinforcement to 20 knots. Becoming west later report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Thunderstorms
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
chance of thunderstorms until midnight.
Tornado warning has been issued
Visibility
from
5 nautical miles until midnight. Friday, west winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Wave detail, south 3 feet at 7 seconds and east 1 foot at 9 seconds. Friday night, southwestern warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Kentucky and central Delaware, Queens County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
I'll do it all later.
extending from Bel Air south to near Newtown to near Stevensville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Centerville, Smyrna, Chestertown, Centerville, Canada, Clayton, Delaware City, Cheshire,
Where do we go? Wow.
Churchill, Newington, Sedlersville,
Northeastern Maryland until 6 p.m.
Padlettville, and more.
Severe thunderstorms were located along the line of the
Bel Air of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent and Queen Anne's.
penny-sized hail.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, considerable tree damage. National Weather Service forecast tomorrow, Delaware, and over 11 p.m. Located in Texas include Dover, Middletown, Southwestern winds 10 to 15 knots per hour, Centerville to 20 knots, Clayton, Delaware City, Cheshire to 50 knots, Churchill, Newington, Sedlersville, Goldsboro,
On the lowest floor of a building.
and more than
Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Thunderstorm warning in the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent and Delaware,
Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent and Queen Anne's. 20 knots, becoming west 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Waves around 2 feet in the morning, then 1 less. Wave detail on flight down trains. Localized core
There it goes.
unsecured light objects projectile.
This actually scared the shit out of me. And then this showed up.
Delaware Place. Pennsylvania, South Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in
Proclamation.
southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in
Years
southeastern
where men
Pennsylvania,
and-
Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westtown or over Westchester, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour resulting in quarter-size hail. Radar indicated. Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations include Philadelphia, Westchester, Bacon, Morristown, Chester, West Norton, East Norton, Westtown, Down Newtown, Conshohocken, Brown, Hatboro, Chillicothe, Antler, Swarthmore, Jenkintown, Melbourne, East Lansdowne, and Beverly. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact the nearest law enforcement agency at 55 miles. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicles through flooded roadways. Expect a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and Burlington, New Jersey.
West Norton, East Norton, Westbound, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Hatboro, Silga.
The following is a severe thunderstorm warning out from the National Weather
East
Service.
Lansdowne, and Beverly.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Counties.
To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
The following counties.
They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and Burlington, New Jersey. Close to the watch area.
Southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Michael's, or 9 miles west of Easton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail.
The Weather Channel.
Source, radar indicated.
And
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Talbot, Denton, Harrington, Bridgeville, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, St. Michael's, Preston, Oxford, Queen Anne, Viola, Smithville, Grassenville, Star, Copperville,
Lacey, $5,746 to assign. Tax register, zero security deposit.
Interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and the following counties:
there's another one.
in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. Contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Delaware and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
right after you.
Oh my God. It's 5:27 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending
from Northeast River to 7 nautical miles east of Turkey Point to 6 nautical miles east of Chester River, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, Patch Island, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Ship John Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Mount
Finally activated, right?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Montgomery County and southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County and southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:50 a.m. At 9:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Schweinsville, or 22 miles northwest of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Sauterman, Bedminster, Collegeville, Chalmont, Trapp, Hatfield, Pennsylvania, Schweinsville, Regalville, Pennsylvania, Pleasant Valley, and Phoenix. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact the nearest law enforcement agency. You will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and likely to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, and Montgomery. For your the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central New Jersey County and northern Delaware, northwestern Burlington,
severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
southeastern
We will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
southeastern
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
southeastern
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, and Montgomery.
At 55 miles per hour. It has 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Abington, or 7 miles north of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with just quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations intended include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Union, Lansdale, East Norton, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Doylestown,
It feels like a fucking tornado outside, bro.
Pinetown, Jenkintown, Chalmont, Bordentown, and Pennington. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Hunter, and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Castle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, northern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Zion to St. George's to near Green Spring, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Vineland, Newark, Millville, Bridgeton, Middletown, Glassboro, Pennsville, Pittman, Clayton, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, Canton, Swedesboro, and Delaware City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem, and Kent, Maryland. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle, northwest service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware.
Wow, Houston is not doing anything.
Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle, northeastern Queen Anne, northeastern Caroline, and northeastern Kent counties will expire at 6 p.m. The storms which prompted the warning are moving out of the area, and the initial severe thunderstorm warning was expiring. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, and eastern and northeastern Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for southwestern Newcastle County and northern Kent County in Delaware and northeastern Queen Anne County, northeastern Caroline County, and east central Kent County in Maryland until 6:45 p.m. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne.
What took y'all so long? Oh, never mind.
Northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, East Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Durham to Skillman to Twin Rivers, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations intended include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Middlesex, Edison, Old Ridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Fayetteville, North Brunswick, Pinell and Carteret, Middlesex, Princeton, Boundbrook, Manville, Potomac, Durham, and Jamesburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunter, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, and Warren, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeville, or 13 miles northeast of Hurley, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Georgetown, Milford, Harrington, Lewis, Milton, Bridgeville, Ellendale, Henlopen Acres, Smithville, Cape Henlopen State Park, Andrewsville, Greenwood, Houston, Dewey Beach, and Farmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland. The following is a heat advisory from the National Weather Service. For the following counties. Canceled. For the following county: Cecil, Maryland. Locations impacted include Overfalls Shoal, Brown Shoal Lake, Buoy 4FE, Buoy 3FE, Slaughter Beach, Cape May Reef, Cape Henlopen, Cape May Point, Buoy 2 milliseconds, Brandywine Shoal Lake, Wildwood Reef, and Brownwood. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The affected areas were Upper Delaware Bay. The thunderstorms have raged. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay. Coastal waters from Little Egg to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fortesk Beach to near Brandywine Shoal Lake to near Brown Shoal Lake, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Villa, Atlantic City, Buoy GE, 14-foot Bank Light, Great Egg Inlet, East Point, Brigantine, Seal City, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, and Miami Light. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official national... Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sussex County in southern Delaware, south-central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from nearby Bound to near Green Creek to near Milton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar. Sighting, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Ocean City, Cape May, Summers Point, Northfield, Margate City, North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, Lewis, Seal City, Weston Manor, Avalon, West Cape May, Longport, Stone Harbor, Portland City, Henlopen Acres, Cape May Courthouse, Scotch Bonnet, and Point. Severe thunderstorm at the Northwood Country Music Destination. Seek safe shelter immediately. 5 p.m. For your protection, go to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Cape May, Sussex, Delaware.
Locations impacted include Ocean City, Cape May, Summers Point, Northfield, Margate City, North Wildwood, Wildwood
National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey, issued at 5:59 p.m.
Longport, Stone Harbor,
Corbin City, southwest wind sky spotted, and Corbin City, Milton Acres, for your protection on the shelter immediately. For your protection, until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Cape and Cumberland.
Oh, there it goes.
In New Jersey, Atlantic, Cape May and Cumberland, and Sussex, Delaware, seconds and east 1 foot at 9 seconds. Friday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. To 3 feet.
Okay.
Until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The coastal water from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island,
Try to get it.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan inland, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, outer waters, Sandy Hook, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, until 8 p.m. 12 p.m. Strong thunderstorms.
Queens County, Marshall County, Queens, Suffolk.
County in southeastern New York until 7:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Sheephead Bay to Rockaway Beach to near Atlantic Beach to 10 miles south of Long Beach, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Chester, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. The coastal waters 42 in effect until 9. National Weather Service and upper New York County. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Fire Island Inlet and Marches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Long Island, Sullivan, until 8:15 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located near Island Park, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 40 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Barn Island, East Bay, Island Park, Jones Inlet.
Dude, don't get it blown up with my aimbot alerts right now.
Jones Beach around 7:20 p.m. South Oyster Bay around 7:25 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible, away from ungrounded metal objects. The coastal southwest winds around 5 miles per hour.